In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Udemy credit balance on desktop. If you've ever received promotional credits or refunds in the form of Udemy credits, it's helpful to know exactly where to see your current balance, track how it's been used, and check whether anything is set to expire. I'll walk you through the process step by step on a computer, and I'll also point out a few tips so everything is clear. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to udemy.com. Sign into your account using your usual login method. Make sure you're using the account where you normally purchase courses. If you have more than one email or have used a social login before, double-check you're in the right place. Once you're signed in, you should see your profile picture or avatar in the top right corner of the page. Next, click your profile picture in that top right corner to open the profile menu. If you haven't uploaded a photo, you'll still see a placeholder avatar there. Clicking it opens a drop-down menu with several account options. This menu is your hub for settings, purchases, and, of course, your credits. From that drop-down, select Udemy credits. The wording may appear simply as Udemy credits, and once you click it, you'll be taken directly to your credits page. If you don't see the option, it can mean your account currently doesn't have credits available, or the feature isn't visible for your region. In most cases, though, it will be right there in the menu. On the Udemy credits page, you'll find your current credit balance displayed at the top. This is the amount you have available to apply toward eligible purchases at checkout. Just below, you'll see your credit history, which shows when credits were added to your account and when they were used. Each entry usually includes a date, a description, and the amount added or deducted, so you can easily track where your credits came from and how they were applied. You may also see expiration details for certain credits. If an expiry date is listed, be sure to note it so you can use those credits before they lapse. Credits are typically applied automatically during checkout if the course and region are eligible, and they may not cover taxes or fees in all cases, so keep an eye on the final price details. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your profile menu, click Udemy credits, and review your balance, history, and any expiry dates. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your learning budget on track.